In this video, I will show you how to add and analyze your data source in Scarlet Platform. Click on the Add Data Source button, then choose a name for your data source. Select a type, for example S3, and enter the bucket name. You can choose a prefix if you would like to analyze a subdirectory only. And you don't need to specify a region as it is automatically detected for you in most cases. Select an AI model, for example Amazon Recognition, and click Add. Click here to start the analysis. The spinner indicates that the analysis is running. At the end, you can view the analytics results in the dashboard. And that's it, you can start using your data source.